If you want to form your LLC the easy way, this video is going to walk you through the entire thing on ZenBusiness step by step. By the end, you'll have your whole application filled out and ready to submit. And the best part is I'm going to show you how to do it with no extra charges, just your state's filing fee. Quick note before we start, I'm not a lawyer or a CPA, so treat this as educational. Every state's rules and fees are a little different, but the process I'm about to show you is the standard one, and it's the same basic flow no matter where you live. There's a link down in the description that gets you the $0 plus state fees deal, and it supports the channel. Now, before we click anything, let's start with why you'd even want an LLC. An LLC separates your personal stuff, your house, your car, your savings from your business, so if the business ever gets sued or runs into debt, your personal assets are shielded. On top of that, you get tax flexibility and it makes you look more legit, which matters when you're opening a business bank account or signing with clients. Just one rule that makes all of this actually work: once you form your LLC, keep your business money and your personal money completely separate. We'll come back to that at the end. Okay, let's do it. Step 1. Click the link below and it'll drop you right on the ZenBusiness start page. Hit Start an LLC to kick things off. Step 2, pick your state. This should be the state where you actually live and run your business. For most of you, that's simply your home state. Select it and continue. Step 3, enter your business name. The reason they ask this now is that ZenBusiness checks in real time whether that name is available in your state before anything gets filed, so you're not wasting time on a name that's taken. Type in the name you want and continue. Step 4, they'll ask for your main contact info, your name, email, and phone number, and a couple of quick questions about your business. Just fill those in and move on. They don't affect anything major. Step 5, your registered agent. Every state requires you to have one. It's basically the official point of contact that receives your legal mail and government notices during business hours. The nice thing about using a service for this is it keeps your personal home address off the public record, and any mail they get gets scanned straight to your dashboard. You can be your own registered agent, but I'd let ZenBusiness handle it so your address stays private and you never miss something important. Step 6 is where you actually choose your plan. So let me break down the 3 options in plain English. The starter plan is $0 plus your state fee. This gets your LLC officially filed with the state, and it still comes with their 100% accuracy guarantee, which is honestly the main reason to use a platform like this at all. The only trade-off is it takes a little longer to process, usually 7 to 10 business days before they submit it, and it doesn't include extras like your registered agent, your EIN, or an operating agreement. The Pro plan is $199 a year. It bumps your filing to the front of the line. They submit within 1 business day. And it adds the stuff a lot of first-timers want done for them: your operating agreement, your EIN, business document templates, and their worry-free compliance service. Quick word on that one because the name is vague. Worry-free compliance is the feature that actually files your annual report with the state for you each year and waives their service fee, so you only cover the state's fee. It's included free the first year, then runs about $199 a year after that. And the premium plan is $399 a year. That's everything in Pro, plus a full year of registered agent service built in, and their most advanced compliance support. Here's my honest take. If you already know you want ZenBusiness as your registered agent, premium can actually be the better value, since that service runs about $99 on its own the first year. Pick whichever fits your needs and continue. Step 7, they'll offer to help you open a business bank account along with a few other add-ons. Take them or skip them. Totally up to you. But watch the upsells and the auto-renewals. ZenBusiness prompts you with several add-ons at checkout, and the plans and services renew automatically every year. The registered agent jumps to $199, the compliance service renews at $199, and so on. None of that is a scam, but only add what you actually need and set a calendar reminder before your renewal date so you're never surprised by a charge. Then you'll land on the checkout page. Just double check that your state, your business name, and your plan all look right, because this is the summary of everything that's about to be filed. Step 8, create your account, enter your payment info, and place the order. And that's it. The moment you submit, ZenBusiness starts filing your LLC with the state for you. How long it takes depends entirely on your state and the plan you picked. It can be as fast as the same day, or it can take a few weeks. You can track exactly where it is right from your dashboard. Now, once your LLC is officially formed, you're not quite done. There are a few things to lock in. First, get your EIN, which is your business tax ID. You'll need it to open a business bank account and file taxes. If you got the Pro or Premium plan, that's handled for you. If you're on Starter, you can grab it yourself for free directly from the IRS in about 10 minutes. Second, make sure you've got an operating agreement, which spells out how your business is owned and run. Third, open that business bank account. I have videos on my channel that compare all of the most popular options and my personal favorite. Fourth, put a reminder on your calendar for your state's annual report. Almost every state makes you file a short report each year or every couple of years to keep your LLC active and in good standing, and it's an easy one to forget. That's exactly what the worry-free compliance service is there to handle if you'd rather not track it yourself. And fifth, the rule I promised we'd come back to: always keep your business and personal money separate. That separation is literally what keeps your liability protection intact, so it's not optional. And that's the whole process. It really is that simple. You answer a handful of questions, and ZenBusiness handles the actual paperwork and filing, so you don't have to worry about making a mistake with your state. If you want to form your LLC this way, the link's down in the description. You can start for as low as $0 plus state fees, and it supports the channel. Drop a comment if you get stuck on any step. I read everyone. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck with the new business.